Tracfone users often face issues when transferring phone numbers due to zip code mismatches. This problem occurs when the zip code you provide doesn't align with Tracfone's coverage area or the original account's activation details. This mismatch can block the porting process, leading to delays or failed transfers. Tracfone, owned by Verizon, uses zip codes to determine eligibility and coverage. If you're moving from a rural area to an urban area with a Tracfone plan, this can trigger denials. As of October 2025, while improvements have been made, this issue persists, especially in rural areas. The good news is there are ways to troubleshoot and resolve this. Don't worry if you encounter the Tracfone zip code problem, you are not alone, but we can fix this. First, verify your zip code and address with your previous carrier. Make sure the information you provide Tracfone exactly matches. Next, check Tracfone's coverage map online to confirm your zip code is within their service area. If issues persist, contact Tracfone's customer support to provide documentation, such as utility bills, to verify your address. Tracfone has launched a porting assist program using AI chatbots. As of 2025, success rates are higher in urban areas, around 85% compared to rural ones at 60%. If you have any problems, contact Tracfone support, provide utility bills for address verification, and switch to a compatible plan. If all fails, ensure to take your money out of Tracfone and consider another provider.